What's up? Welcome to another video. So today I decided to rinse off the car and tidy up the mess I made again here. Yeah, so today I'll just reassemble everything, the caps, and then I'm quickly gonna just wipe down the car, and then yeah, we can continue. Let's get to it. And yeah, so guys, I'm done wiping it down and rinsing it off. I managed to move the stud cap. I used the oil filter tool. So yeah, I just finished spraying the other cap. So now I wanna sort out this mess here. Okay, now it's tidy. I'm not gonna put back the caps now. Still waiting for the other one to dry up then. Then I'll put them back on, but for now, yeah, the car is clean. Speaking bang. Okay, yeah. Car is all clean. So yeah, check me on the next video. Guys, please like and subscribe. Please. You don't have to share, but you can like and subscribe. And tell your uncles, your mother, your father to like the channel and subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends, guys. Shout out.
Hi.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?